Hold on, Revis. We are inbound.
Easy. I'm safe. He's my friend. Look, his name is Bob. Come on, Bob, let's go. No, why you kill Bob?
I never killed Bob.
You broke my heart, bro. Are you okay, dude? I don't think that's how you hold a gun. Just get in the car, we gotta take an undead soldier to the hospital quickly, man. It's the same guy, bro. What's up? Hey, hey, hey. What? You recognize me, huh? Yeah. Oh, look at this guy, dude. There's a big guy.
Hostile elite identified.
Wow. Wait, what? Oh, baby.
This must cost
Shockwave. We gotta be like ninjas, okay? And don't let them see you. Can they see you? They definitely can see you.
Yeah, they didn't see me, then the oh!
Your men are dead, Gray.
Stuck in the ground.
Are you Don't move. Stay there. Hey!
Wow.
Nice. My turn. I'll show you how to do it, bro. You gotta stab, jump, crouch, crouch, stab, weapon swap. I mean, it's
got a good
okay.
feeling about this gun.
Was that something you just wanted to see me do?